watching TVS, Television Simulator.
How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Television Simulator using our brand new launcher. You can open up your web browser, go to gcpw.art/tvs. Click Download. Click Download for Windows, or you can also download for a Raspberry Pi here. If you get this warning, say keep it, keep anyway. Now open up the folder where you downloaded it to, and then I'd cut it and paste it into a different folder somewhere. Just not in your downloads, because you're going to be running this from the folder that you put it in. So we're just going to put one here at CTVS, for example. Now you double click on it and it's running. It'll create two folders, releases and configurations. Go into the tray icon down here, Television Simulator Launcher. Click Update to Latest. Then wait for a second. And you should get a firewall prompt. Allow that. Now under the tray icon, you'll see it says Server. Click on that, and you're running Television Simulator locally. To edit your configuration file, go into Configurations, Default, config.tvs.yml. Double-click, open it with Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ or something else like that, Regular Notepad isn't advised because when you're editing a YAML file, it's easy to screw up the indentation. Like if I accidentally did that, then you can see everything else is not going to work. So regular Notepad makes it too easy to screw up though. So anyway, for channel 1, for instance, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit this from default channel 2 to default channel 1. Just to show you that now when you refresh the page, it changes everything. To add content to your version of Television Simulator, you can essentially download other content, you copy it, or you create other content too. You put it in here. I downloaded this picture of a dog from Pixabay. I'm just going to name it puppy.jpg. And now what we're going to do is say image. Instead of placeholders /channel 1, I'm just going to say puppy.jpg. And there you go. It's grabbing stuff from your config file like if it was in the release directory. So you can see in here, it's like we had a puppy.jpg here. Anything that's in the config directory will overwrite stuff that's in the release directory. So if you accidentally had like a web page in your config directory called index.html, it would overwrite the entire site. So you don't want to do that. But otherwise, if it's not one of these files, which, all your images and stuff wouldn't be, then it'll be fine. So that's how you get started quickly with the Television Simulator Launcher on Windows. The same thing kind of works for Raspberry Pi OS and for Linux. Though you can see under the website here, it'll talk about what it'll look like. So if you're running it on Linux, it would look maybe something like this. You've got your tray icon up there instead. And you can see all the different versions that you can install. And you've got your configurations as well. But yeah, that's how you download and use Television Simulator using our brand new launcher.